Well, what's up, guys? A little bit of everything Southern Homestead. Today we're going to be doing another truck video, just a little routine maintenance here. We're going to be switching out our cabin air filter. So this is the original filter that's been in the truck for 66,000 miles. Should be changed every 12,000 or so. This is the new carbon infused filter. It'll help eliminate any odors, catch all the dust and all the dander and anything else. So you can see this filter is definitely dirty. Needed to be changed. So today we'll show you how we do that. We're going to be using the FRAM drive 12-month, 12,000 miles. Like I said, removes dust, pollen, other pollutants, optimizes airflow, maintains HVAC performance. Filter costs about 30 bucks, a lot cheaper than replacing an HVAC unit on the vehicle. So we'll get this done. Doesn't take long. Pretty simple process. Stay tuned. All right, so we're over here on the passenger side. I push the seat all the way back. So you'll open that there. You'll open this. You'll have to open the door. And you'll see there's a little clip right here. And there's also this here. So you do that and you'll do that. All right, so I took this little arm out of that track, let everything just come down. Next, we're gonna take this part off, and that's where the housing is for the air filter behind there. So on each side, they have a little clip. Just pull in, pull out, pull in, pull out, and the whole thing should come off as one piece, like that. Next, we're gonna take off these little screws, and that'll allow us to take the front plate off. All right, so 7mm screws. When it comes to interior plastic, I don't like using power tools just because of the ability of everything to crack. So there's one. There's two. And then when you're taking this off, remember they're gonna have some wires behind here, so you don't wanna just pull it straight off. But it should just unclip from the top, like so. It's got the same clips like the hood. So make sure they're all still there. Little orange clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. And they are. Let's see. So unclip that. Let's see, just get it out of the way there. All right, so that clip came off real easy. This other one is Ford's traditional clip. I'm gonna see if I can't get you zoomed in here. There's a little red tab on the back side. So if you slide your flathead behind it and you just pull it out away from it, I don't know if you can see there how this red tab, it just kind of moved back away. So it went that way. And you should just be able to get it out. There it goes. All right. So that's a little red tab. I'll just put it back in like that. All right. So what we're looking at is that honeycomb right there. That's where our filter's at. It should be the same thing. It should just be some clips there. Like that. So pull these little latches. There's one on each side. And just remember the orientation you had it in. And then there's your filter. So you'll want to pull it out. And there it is. So mine's pretty bad. I've never changed it. This truck has 66,000 miles, so definitely needs to be done. All right, so high edge is going to be up. So we're going to slide it right back in place. All the way in until it seats. So So like that. And then we'll slide this back on, putting the bottom portion of the legs in their little respective holders first, and then just snapping it in. And then it's just the reverse process from there. So plug this back in here. Push the red clip all the way in. Plug this back in here. Remember, there's 4 clips, 2 on each side. Make sure everything snaps. All right. And then we'll put our screws, 7mm. I like to try to start them by hand. Make sure the threads line up. If you can spin them easily by hand for the first couple of rotations, then you know the threads are where they need to go, properly aligned. So we'll just tighten them snug. As such. And so. And remember this last piece here. So 3 tabs. There's 3 holes, these 3 clips. Make sure these are still there. These are copper. If they pop off, just find it, stick it back on, and it'll be just fine. So slide that in there. And then these little ones you gotta slide towards midline, get it into the groove, and then it just kind of bites itself back in. So that's there. Feed this back through the track. Push the little arms in like such. And that's it. 2019 F-250 cabin air filter change. Take about 5 minutes. So we just finished changing that air filter. I'm gonna start the truck.
Let's be friends. Light.
Some AC. Alright, everything seems to be blowing, no issues. All the vents are getting air, back vents are getting air. Good deal. Easy job. Airbags still say on there. Still says on there, so everything's good to go. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Get outside and do something.